In a groundbreaking move that has shaken the global aviation industry, China has unveiled its latest sixth-generation fighter jet, a machine that not only challenges the status quo, but also pushes the boundaries of stealth and aerodynamics. But what makes this jet so revolutionary? Let's find out. China's journey in modern military aviation has been nothing short of transformative. Starting with the J-10, a fourth-generation fighter jet, China demonstrated its ability to develop indigenous multi-role aircraft. Then came the J-20, a stealth fifth-generation fighter designed to rival the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, showcasing not just ambition, but real capability. Recently, China unveiled the H-20 stealth bomber, believed to possess intercontinental range and strategic stealth capabilities akin to the US B-2 Spirit. Now, with its sixth-generation fighter, China signals its determination to leapfrog global competition. This evolution highlights China's rapid ascent in military aviation, a journey marked by relentless innovation, technological mastery, and a clear goal: air dominance in the 21st century. At first glance, China's sixth-generation fighter jet looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Its tailless, diamond-shaped body marks a bold departure from conventional designs, optimizing stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. This configuration minimizes its radar cross-section, making the jet nearly undetectable to enemy radars. But stealth isn't the only focus. The aerodynamic advantages improve stability, maneuverability, and speed, ensuring the aircraft excels in dogfights and high-speed operations. The three-engine intake system is another intriguing feature. While most fighters rely on two engines, this innovation suggests a focus on hypersonic capabilities and advanced energy management, ensuring the aircraft excels in dogfights and high-speed operations. But what truly sets this aircraft apart is its rumored weapons capabilities. The aircraft is expected to carry an array of state-of-the-art air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. These include long-range hypersonic missiles, capable of striking targets at extreme distances with unmatched speed and precision, and short-range infrared missiles for dogfights. Perhaps the most futuristic addition is directed energy weapons like laser systems. These could be used to intercept incoming missiles or even disable enemy aircraft and drones mid-flight, offering a defensive and offensive advantage that conventional weaponry can't match. Rumors suggest the possibility of integrating electromagnetic railguns, a groundbreaking technology that uses magnetic fields to launch projectiles at hypersonic speeds. These weapons could provide unmatched firepower without the need for traditional explosives, reducing weight and increasing magazine capacity. The aircraft may serve as a command center for deploying and controlling drone swarms. These autonomous drones could perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even kamikaze-style attacks, making the jet a force multiplier in any conflict. With these weapons, the jet isn't just an aircraft, it's a complete arsenal in the sky. By combining stealth, speed, and cutting-edge armament, this fighter is poised to redefine what it means to dominate air combat in the 21st century. China's sixth-generation jet isn't just about design, it's packed with groundbreaking technology. At its core is an AI-driven avionics system capable of real-time decision-making, threat assessment, and mission optimization. This allows the pilot to focus on critical tasks while the AI handles complex calculations. Adaptive stealth is another rumored feature, enabling the jet to modify its radar profile depending on the mission. Whether evading detection or enhancing communication, this technology adds unprecedented versatility. The jet also incorporates advanced networking capabilities, allowing it to coordinate seamlessly with unmanned systems, satellites, and ground forces. This makes it a central hub in the battlefield, rather than just another aircraft. With these innovations, China's sixth-gen fighter represents the cutting edge of aviation technology, blending manned and unmanned combat capabilities into a cohesive system. China isn't the only player in the race for sixth-generation dominance. The United States' Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program focuses on stealth, advanced sensors, and the integration of autonomous drone swarms. This highly secretive project aims to maintain US air superiority for decades to come. Europe is developing the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, a collaboration between France, Germany, and Spain. This system prioritizes interoperability with drones and modular design for adaptability. Meanwhile, the UK's Tempest program features groundbreaking technologies like directed energy weapons and AI-assisted controls. Japan is also making strides with its FX program, which emphasizes radar innovations and long-range strike capabilities. Russia's efforts include a sixth-gen version of the Su-70 Okhotnik B, focusing on speed, stealth, and firepower. While each project has its unique features, the unveiling of China's new fighter underscores the intensifying competition for air superiority in the 21st century. This latest unveiling from China is more than just an aircraft. It's a statement. It signals a future where advanced technology, AI, and hypersonics will redefine air combat. But questions remain. How operational is this fighter? How will it stack up against competitors like the NGAD or Tempest? And what does this mean for the global balance of power? One thing is certain, the sixth-generation race is just beginning. With China, the US, Europe, and others vying for dominance, the skies of tomorrow will be unlike anything we've seen before. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge military technology.